Hey everyone, it's Yoslin and welcome back to my channel. I bought these things in my online shopping video and today I'm going to be unboxing it and showing you guys what I think about the items. I'm gonna open it up. Inside, when you first open it, this is what it looks like. A sticker just fell out, but this is what the inside looks like. It says Glossier right there, and it comes with this sticker. It says Glossier Spring 2022. It actually came with two stickers, which is really nice. It says lavenderbomb.com 2022. I'm gonna put these on something, I don't know what yet, but these are super cute. Okay, now onto the things I ordered. Inside are Olivia's favorites from Glossier. It comes with the Pro Tip eyeliner. I'm not wearing any eyeliner today, so I'm really excited to try this because the eyeliner I use is actually an eyebrow pencil. It's not meant to be eyeliner, obviously. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. I've been wanting to try this for a long time, so when you open it, it just looks like this. So it actually looks like the one I use, that's for eyebrows. Next thing it has is the boy brow. I got the shade clear. I've seen some where she uses clear and I've seen some where she uses brown. So I just got clear because I've never tried the clear one and I have the brown one. That's this, and the boy brow is one of their most popular items. It looks like this, and then I got the shade clear like I said earlier. And then the next thing is their ultra lip. I have one of their lipsticks, but I've never tried their ultra lip, and I got the shade Vila because I hear she really likes that shade. I also just think this one's a really pretty color in general. It has a little Glossier stamp. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, those are Olivia Rodrigo's favorites. And then I also got this. It comes in this cute little box. I was not expecting that, but it's the Glossier perfume sample. You can choose a sample at checkout, so I chose this. It actually says Glossier U on the little bottle. Did I test it out? Oh, I think I didn't even spray my neck. There. Oh, that smells good. I smelled this a long time ago, but I forgot what it smelled like. Now I'm gonna wash off my makeup and we're gonna get to trying these things out. I have the lipstick, the boy brow, and the eyeliner to test out. So we'll see if these products are good. So I'm back and now I'm gonna try out the products. I just did my makeup how I would usually do it. I'm gonna get the most difficult thing out of the way, and that's eyeliner because I always mess up eyeliner. I just noticed it has a little G on the lid. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see me because I'm gonna be like this. I also put these clips in my hair to hold my hair back. I don't even know if I can do my eyeliner here. I've never done my eyeliner over here. Okay, whatever. I'll just try. I'm really scared because I'm not that good at eyeliner, but that's the first outline. It's because I usually do my eyeliner with this. It's a brow pen, but it looks almost identical. Like, it's the same thing, but this is brown and this is black, so it's a lot darker. I don't like my eyeliner to be really far out. I kind of messed up, so I'm gonna try fixing it. Okay, I'll be back when I do this eye. I literally just went over there like 2 seconds ago and I was able to do this eye. Now I'm gonna do the other one and hopefully it's as easy as this. This eye was really easy to do, which is great. But this just goes on super easily, so I'm gonna do this side now. I did both sides. This side is a little bit thicker than this one, so I'm just gonna go and fix it. I'm just using makeup remover. Eyeliner's done. It's not even because I'm not... Oh, it's really not even, but I'm not good at eyeliner, so let's just pretend it's even. But I really like it, and I'm going to be using this from now on. So that's the eyeliner. I'm going to do my mascara before I do eyebrows, so I'm just going to use the products I use, and then we'll move on to eyebrows. First coat of mascara done, so I'm going to do the second coat now. Okay, I just used my last mascara. I have a lot of mascara on my eyelids. I think my eyelashes are finally growing back because I accidentally cut them all off with my eyelash curler a couple months ago. I didn't use an eyelash curler again for a long time after that because I was so scared it was gonna cut my eyelashes again. This is what my mascara looks like. I use 3 different types of mascaras. Okay, so that's that. And now I'm gonna clean my eyelids, and I really like this eyeliner, so yeah, I'm really liking it. Usually eyeliner takes me a while just because I just started doing it. Like one time I spent 30 minutes trying to get my eyeliner to look even, and that's actually really difficult to do. And that day was just a bad eyeliner day, but today I think is a good eyeliner day because I actually did it really quick, so I'm really happy about that. Now mascara is done and eyeliner is done, so we are going to move on to brows. Here I have the boy brow in clear, and I'm super excited to try it out, so let's see. I always do soap brows, so I'm interested to see how this will look. So this is just like an eyebrow gel. I like my eyebrows to be fully like brushed out like this. Obviously it's not going to do the same effect as soap brows because soap brows just really like lift your eyebrows, but I think I like it so far. I like it more than the brown one, just because the brown one I can't use in the front of my eyebrows. But it is definitely separating my brows and brushing them out. And it is clear, so it's not leaving like any white flakes on my eyebrows. I don't know why my eyebrows look so dark in the camera. I don't know, the lighting's just really off. Like my eyebrow looks like it's gone there, but there is eyebrow hair there. I don't know why it looks like that. I really like it. So far, I like both of these, the eyebrow gel and the eyeliner. Lastly, I'm going to use this, which is the Ultra Lip. Sorry about the lighting, it's kind of been on and off, but I have lip balm on, so let me go take it off. So I took the lip balm off, and now I'm gonna try out this Ultra Lip. I guess I'm just gonna put it on like I'd put lip balm on. This is in the shade Vila, so I think it'll look good. It's like a nice natural color. This was definitely the thing I was most excited about, so let's see. Oh, I like it a lot. What? It's definitely hydrating. Oh, I just messed up the little G. So I just went like this twice, so twice on the bottom and twice on the top. It's a really pretty natural color. It's super hydrating. I really like this. I like this more than I thought I was going to. I don't know how they describe this color online, but I just think it's a really pretty nice natural color. I'm so happy with these products. So this is how my makeup turned out, trying out Olivia Rodrigo's favorites from Glossier. I'd say my favorite thing is probably the eyeliner, just because it was so easy to use and it looks really good. So this was definitely my favorite, and my second favorite was the Ultra Lip and then the clear boy brow. I think that's just because I already like have a product for my brows. This is just like a hydrating lip balm. I'm pretty sure it says it has hyaluronic acid in it, which I love hyaluronic acid. I'll put the photos of the products individually on the screen so you guys can see how much they are in case you just want to buy one of them. I really like these and I recommend you guys try them out. They're super good products. That's basically it for this. If you guys want to see any specific videos, comment them down below and maybe I'll do them. But that is it for today's video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!